Wednesday, June 17th. Got a call from cousin Caleb today saying he's gonna backfill tomorrow. So we got this big pile of insulation we gotta attach to the inside of the footing. And we've got this bucket of waterproofing right here. We've got a roller, gonna roll that around the perimeter, waterproof it, get the insulation put in. I'm here with Eagle Eye, gonna make sure it happens. Stay tuned. We got one side installed, 2 more sides to go. We got all the styrofoam in, and now we're gonna seal the outside of the wall with this bucket of Henry product. It's 8:43 p.m. Just finished getting all the waterproofing on and the insulation's in. You can see it there. The day thou gave us, Lord, has ended. Time for a pirate soda. So if we're not sweating through our shirts, we're getting dumped on with rain. It's almost like we live in a rainforest here. The core drill did not drill through the stone foundation very well. I ended up just using a digging iron and digging a path through. But the core drill did dig through the CMU wall in the well. It went through there nicely. So yeah, we're just taking shelter from the rain. Caleb's going to get some gravel to put in the bottom of the trench. Okay, pipe is in the trench. We put this PVC sleeve in here where it goes through the stone foundation so we can backfill around it and won't puncture the pipe. Got this gravel all the way up to the well. What do you say, Caleb?
We're here, rain or shine.
That's right.
Make it happen.
Good morning, Matt from Keystone Experience checking in. We got the plumber showing up today to run drain pipes and mechanical in what's going to be the addition portion of the project. Should be a good day. Stay tuned for lots of footage. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get an intro, guys. We got the plumbers, slab on grade. Burrow Mechanical. So while Eric and Denny are digging, locating the drainage in the addition portion through the gravel, I'm locating. That's the drain that comes out of the house to our septic tank out there. So I'm basically locating that because the drainage these guys are putting in over here is becoming the slab and then into the basement. I had to make a materials run. Got a bunch of plumbing fittings back there, 2 pipes, headed back to the job site. What do you say, Denny?
Everything's good. Let's go.
That's looking pretty trick. Engineering the Getting the hard work out of the way before the slab comes. Those concrete workers, they have it so easy. So as Denny and Eric are doing the plumbing in the slab, I've been here in the basement knocking out space for the plumbing to come in between the floor joists, plumbing and the mechanical. So I'm the grunt, pulling these piles of stones. It's 2 p.m. The plumbers have left. Got all the plumbing entrenched in the slab and ready for concrete. There's one chase pipe that hasn't been run. I kind of like to run it, but we'll see. There you can see all the penetrations for the mudroom, for the mechanical. I'm gonna put insulation around the perimeter. I'm not gonna insulate the whole thing, but just around the perimeter, 2 feet. Knox is out there mowing. So the plumbers and mechanical guys, they got all their plumbing set, toilet drain set, shower drain set, vent stacks ready. I'm starting to put insulation around the foundation. Then I'll put a vapor barrier down, a 6 mil vapor barrier. Maybe 2 layers of 6 mil, just because I can't seem to find a 10 mil vapor barrier. Anyhow, it's a good day. Never goes as perfect as I want it to go, full disclosure. But it looks good, and I think I'll have it wrapped up and ready for concrete by the end of the day tomorrow. Well, you know what they say, the day thou gavest, Lord, has ended. It's time for a pirate soda. Cheers, y'all. Oh, and somebody told me that, you know who you are, that I reminded them of somebody from a TV show that I don't know if I've ever saw. I know, but I'm aware of. It's called The Waltons. They said that I'm like John Boy. So, pirate soda to John Boy. So we're here at Lowe's getting some plumbing supplies, a little bit more plumbing through the slab. One of the things I love about Lancaster is bumping into friends. Shout out to Maddie Buckwater, had a great conversation. Haven't seen that cat in years, but always so good to catch up with creators, artists like Maddie Buckwater. Godspeed, brother.
There we go.
That blue line there is where a load-bearing wall is going to be. So I'm digging that out a little deeper and put some rebar in there. That'll be the load-bearing wall that carries the floor joist for the 2nd and 3rd floor. So yeah, should be pretty fun. We're almost done putting the foam around, and James is putting a vertical 1-inch foam around the 6-inch block. Once that's done and I'm done, we'll lay out the 6 mil vapor barrier. Just punched through the outside wall with the core drill. Kind of see down there's a core drill, punch through, and then we'll run pipe. But had to rent the core drill for the 2nd time. Is there something on my nose?